It's Skippy, bitch.
Hi. What are you doing? Don't do that.
What? Oh, well, there we go. Oh, shit. No. Where'd my face go? Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Yep, here, we're here.
Yep. Ah. Oh, nope. Ah. Come a little closer.
Don't do that. Oh my god.
What?
What happened? Oh, yeah.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
The beautiful pizza. The beautiful pizza.
Hi. This is my 3 years on T update. Oh,
I'm a liar.
really nice. Really nice.
Tell me why. I'm a Backstreet Boy, guys. I look like I should be in an indie band. Okay? Give me another one. Oh no, not Bald AJ.
Yes.
Damn it.
It's not going to show up. It's just going to be the... Oh, what?
Where? I have a little face. Ain't nothing but a tiny face.
Oh my god.
Let me tell you the story about the call that changed my destiny. Yes. Hey, Mr. DJ, keep playing that song for me. No.
What?
That's my hat. Ah, come on. Incomplete.
Oh my god. Skippy,
Yes.
look at me.
I'm looking and it's quite terrifying. Stop it.
Why?
I'm afraid.
How does this make you
Uncomfortable.
feel? You look very seductive.
Damn it.
Oh god.
Oh. Oh. Lick your lips. I'm Ron Burgundy.
No, I am.
Why don't you go back to your home on Horror Island? One more time.
Oh god. What is happening to my face? Oh god. You're reaching through my mustache. Smells like pussy.
What?
I don't know. Whoa.
What the hell is wrong with you?
This looks really weird. I'm supposed to be Squidward. It didn't work out too well.
Meh. FaceSwap. Why?
What is this mess? Discover?
What?
This is the stuff of nightmares. This.
I'm gonna have nightmares about you.
Oh god. Jen.
I'm Dan. I am so Dan right now. Oh my god. Hold on, I got this. Till the day I die, spill my heart for you. I'm still Dan.
I like the other one better.
Which one? I'm Dan. Look at me. I'm Dan. Yes. I'm so Dan.
Now I'm Dan.
No, I'm Dirty Dan.
Do you love me now? Do you? Is this what it takes for you to love me?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh. You can't open too wide.
That's what she said.
Oh, it lost me. Blah.
Where'd it go?
Skippy. Oh.
Wait.
What? No, I don't know.
Wait. Watch. Run, kill it.
Run, kill it. Oh, run. What?
We don't have noses.
Ooh. Hi. I too. Yeah.
Oh.
Mwah.
Barack Obama.
No.
Wait, do Abraham Lincoln. I need to see this movie like I need a hole in the head. What happened to you?
I'm pretty.
I'm a painting.
I look
It's such a
creepy.
work of art.
I look creepy.
You do.
Hi.
Please stop.
Hi.
Bye. Let's do another one.
Whoa.
Charlie, you got really good at makeup.
I know. If it was only this easy.
Who's that? Who's that?
I don't know.
Don't dead, open inside.
Whoa. What? It won't let me select her.
Wait, go to Mona Lisa real quick. I got this. Whoa, Mona Lisa. Ha ha. That was funny.
I see what you did there.
No.
I'm looking at you, but I'm not. This is creepy.
I'm scared.
You should be.
Can you stop?
No.
Stop.
No. I want you. Always.
What? Oh.
Stop poking me.
I'm touching the Mona Lisa.
Stop poking me. Why are you poking me?
Why do you look like the Statue of Liberty?
Because life.
I want to be the puppy.
This is so creepy.
Let me see it. Mm-hmm. This is not cool. I don't like this one.
This is awesome. Hi. This is what I would look like if I was an old drag queen.
Work.
What?
You look like Robert De Niro. Let me see it. Are you a pothead fucker? Ah, damn it. Are you a pothead fucker? Oh.
Yes, bitch. Yes.
Look, I'm emo Beyonce. Damn it. Got me living so crazy right now. I'm trying to make my eyes move to see if her eyes move, but it ain't working. It's really throwing me off. Wait, does that count as blackface? Whoa.
You gotta we gotta both look forward for it to.
Bangs in the way. There we go.
Oh my god.
Look, I'm Charlie. You look fucking weird.
Okay, when I back up a little bit, you look. Hey, no, don't.
What?
No, don't back up. We need to be at the same level. Then it doesn't look as weird.
I'm Charlie. Look at me. You look fucking scary. Like, if we ever had a child together, oh my god, it'd be ugly. Because you look fucked up and my hair looks weird. Why is it making my face move too when you do that? Watch it again.
Because it's sensing my chin moving.
Oops.
Oh.
Oh. Hold on, I gotta fix my bang.
My face was on your hand for a moment. What?
Look, I'm kicking my own ass, but it's really me kicking your ass. Well, this is
Love me like you do. Love me like you do.
I love how I move my head and it moves my head.
You're a wizard, Harry.
I need a blizzard, Harry.